Good evening, everybody. We are told whether we should start in time. I hope everybody is well settled and ready for today's program. My name is Nirmala Chopra, and I'm very delighted to welcome you all for this concert today. I've been associated with Parampara for many years. It all started in 1996 when Dr. Vinay Bhide, a renowned classical vocalist, decided to make Ottawa his home. Of course, you know, we were very delighted that we have somebody now in Ottawa who knows so much of classical music. With great reluctance and a lot of persuasion, he agreed to teach some of us. As more joined our group, we decided to incorporate the group as Parampara in 1916. Parampara's objective was to promote the Hindustani classical music in the system which is Indian, where knowledge is passed down orally from the guru to the shishya, which is not only knowledge but also makes the student's character. Parampara strives to bring newer artists to the show so that they can show their talent. I, of course, claim to be the youngest student of Dr. Bhide. Today's concert is to celebrate, firstly, Guru Purnima, which is on the 10th of July. This is a tradition honoring and expressing gratitude to our teachers or our Guru. For the benefit of the younger ones in the audience, the word Guru comes from removing of darkness or ignorance. Gu means darkness, and Ru means the dispeller of darkness. So please take a moment on the 10th of July to think back all your teachers in your life who have taught you and give them a silent thank you. Don't forget, of course, your first teacher, which is your mother. In the few years that we have lost in many, many stalwarts of the Eastern and Western music, and who have left an indelible mark on our music, today all the artists will be honoring one or the other of these legends. Of course, the music, regardless of East or West, when come together, unifies with one music, hence the fusion. And this is our theme for today. Our first item on the program is an invocation with vocals by Trishna Praraj, Kakoli Nag, and Brother Tikar. On the tabla, we have Rigved Deshpande, who is an accomplished player performing on stage for more than 20 years. He is being guided by Pandit Chandrasekhar Vaze, Swapil Pandey, and for the last 6 years, he has also been learning vocal music from Pandit Suresh Bapat. Shri Mahesh Kale, and he has performed in various prestigious events, both nationally and internationally, Bombay, Pune, Edmonton, and Toronto. And accompanying them on the violin also will be Anjana Srinivasan, who draws her training in Carnatic music and Western classical violin and explores the world of music as much to touch the soul through melody and emotion. She's a disciple of Srimati Languri Vijayalakshmi. She received her initial training in Carnatic violin under the late Sri Anur Ramakrishna of Bangalore, India. Anjana is very active in the Indo-Canadian musical scene and performs regularly as a soloist as part of instrumental groups. She collaborates with artists of various international backgrounds, which has led to numerous performances of Canadian festivals, including the well-known Montreal International Jazz Festival. She has lent the Carnatic violin touch to many recordings by Canadian and Indo-Canadian artists of different musical styles. Anjana enjoys imparting her art by conducting violin lessons for local youth and adults, and is an active part in organizing educational musical opportunities for students in Montreal. We also have our youngest Ratanjot Singh, who is on the Dilruba. He goes to Longfield School and has been learning this instrument for the last few years. Welcome, everyone, the invocation.